Good evening. I'm Escambia County Public Schools Superintendent Tim Smith, and we are so grateful for your attendance tonight. With me this evening are our Escambia County Public Schools School Board members. Board Chairman and District 1 Representative Kevin Adams.
Thank you, sir.
Board Vice Chair and District 2 Representative Paul Fetzko.
Good evening.
District 3 Representative Dr. Laura Edler.
Good evening.
District 4 Representative Patty Hightower.
Hello.
And District 5 Representative Bill Slayton.
Good evening.
As we move forward in the 2022-2023 school year, we will continually reflect on our new strategic plan with a vision of standing united for every student to succeed. Our faculty, staff, and administrative personnel are all in as we work to increase engagement and achievement for all students. Parents, we welcome you to join us as we move forward in this new and exciting initiative. Stay engaged. Have your students at school on time every day. We all know our students can't learn if they are not in class. Check grades. Communicate with teachers. Our work is hard, but we will succeed if we're all united. You may have noticed we've changed our name and branding. Parents, that wasn't by accident, but was done with the intention of placing the emphasis on the places where the real work is done every day, our public schools. Join us as we face the challenges and celebrate the many successes we'll enjoy this year together. Again, thank you for your attendance tonight. It is so important we're all working together for the benefit of our students, our schools, and ultimately this community. We look forward to a great year, standing united for every student to succeed.
We're all in.